Hi, this is Chris Springer with Dan Am Company, and I'd like to talk to you today about the new SATA QMR, the Quick Material Regulator. It's going to be found, and its use case is with a wide variety of products. This could range from UV primers to primer, sealer, base coats, both solvent-borne and waterborne, clear coats, and single stages. Primarily, though, I feel like we're going to see this being used a lot with waterborne base coat systems. Mostly because with solvent-borne systems, we had a solvent selection that would help with our flash time and our application. And in most cases with water, we have a waterborne reducer or a controller that goes in, and they really evaporate at a specific rate. So you may find yourself in a high humidity climate, and what I classify as like 60% relative humidity and above, where maybe during your orientation coat, this doesn't focus on the coverage coats, but on that final coat where you're getting your color alignment, your orientation of aluminums and pearls. Oftentimes in high humidity climates, it's difficult to control your wetting. That would be a case where I would come in and spray my coverage coats, and when I get to that control coat or that orientation or drop coat, I can simply close my QMR, and it gives that painter a little bit more control and stability with the gun. That doesn't mean that that's the only use case for the QMR. It can be used with clear coats. There are clear coats out there that we would almost consider a coat and a half clear coat, where you put on a lighter, thin, knitted together first coat, followed by a full wet coat. This could be an easy way, rather than trying to control the trigger distance and material output with your skilled hand. Now you can push your QMR in, it gives you a reduced material flow, and then when you go to that full coat, you simply pop it open and you're back to full material flow.